Rainbow Octopus Sweater Sampler for open sauce. The original, black, hard to photograph. Colors. Swatches. Different techniques. Knitting machine. Brother 270. AYAB. Open source modification. Sleeve number 1. Cuff. Cast on. "15 rows. End of cuff. Plain knitting. No more ribber. Connecting arm off. Sinker plate on. The swatch, Fair Isle. More weights. KC. Hooked into the time belt. Pattern loaded in AYAB. Knit. Initialized. Needles selected. MC. Second color. Knit. One row. 2 rows. And so on. Increases. More knitting. End of sleeve. Underarm markers. Waste yarn. Off the machine. A sleeve. Sleeve number 2, cuff already done. Swatch. Tuck stitches. AYAB, both tuck buttons. Knit. Increase. End of sleeve. Sleeve number 2. Sleeve number 3. Cuff already cast on. Swatch. Thread lace. Disable. Ends needle selection. AYAB. Needles selected. Lace button. Lace yarn. Knit. Sleeve 3, done. Sleeve number 3. Sleeve number 4, slip stitches. AYAB, both part buttons, and we knit. Sleeve number 4. Sleeve number 5. Weaving. AYAB. Weaving brushes. No buttons. Weaving color. Background color. Yarn gets moved to the other side every row. Sleeve number 5. Sleeve number 6, tuck plus plaiting. Yarn number 2, AYAB. Both tuck buttons. Sleeve number 6. Sleeve number 7, multicolor slip. AYAB, both part buttons. Knit. Two rows, then switch colors. Sleeve number 7. Sleeve number 8, multicolor tuck. Both tuck buttons. AYAB and knit. Change colors every 2 rows. Sleeve number 8. Two-color slip, two-color tuck. Floats, no floats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back on the machine. Right side facing the machine. Overlap 1 stitch. Stripes. The yoke. Back on the machine. Overlap every other stitch. And knit stripes. Back on the machine. Overlap every other stitch. Knit stripes. Back on the machine. Overlap every other stitch. Knit stripes. Set up for ribbing. Knit ribbing. Ribbing. Back on the machine. Stripes. Ribbing. The body of the sweater. And the other side. It's done. The knitting is done. It still needs some assembly. Block. Here is the final sweater, washed and blocked. Let me put it on for you. And people always ask me with these sweaters, like, which sleeves do you use? And look, I'm not here to judge. I'm not here to tell you how to wear a sweater. I'm just here to provide some entertainment and to do some math. so you don't have to do the math. Look at that. That's exactly what I was going for. Oh, some leaves are stuck up there. Where's that one? All right, we're good. The neckline is a little bigger than I want it to be, and I think I'm going to fix that with some elastic, but that'll be a follow-up short. So each sleeve is a different technique, and all of these patterns came from Stitch World. I'll put the numbers in the description, and they did all have different gauges. What I did was I got the gauge of each swatch and then took an average and used that for the main sweater, and then when I was knitting each sleeve I used the row gauge to make sure they would be long enough, and they turned out pretty good. So this is intended to be a display piece for Open Source. I will be there in a booth with some internet friends showing off AYAB, the open source project that we work on. And most people, when they come to these events, have never seen a knitting machine before and don't know what they're capable of. So I just wanted something to show off all of the possibilities in a way that you can like touch it and play with it and see what it is. Oh yes, the pattern for this is up on my website. If you want to make one of your own, I highly recommend making one of these. It's a fun process and you get to learn a lot about how your machine works and what it can do. All right, I gotta take this off. It's way too hot. Oh, oh. If you're gonna be at Open Sauce, come by and say hi. There's one knitting machine booth, you can't miss it. I want to say thank you to channel members who make videos like this possible. If you'd like to become a channel member, you can click the join button down below. All channel members get early access to new videos, and channel members at the mid-tier and higher get access to members-only videos. It's a lot of behind-the-scenes stuff and talking about upcoming projects, and like, channel members got a heads up about this. I didn't know what it was going to look like, but I did an unboxing of the yarn and talked about like what the project was going to be. So if that's your thing, go check it out. Thanks for watching. Happy knitting.